part two. We're gonna amp this up a little bit. So working over what I already have, I'm gonna go in with, what am I gonna go in with? I think I'm gonna go with eyeliner. And I'm just actually gonna tight line the upper lash line so I get this really dense, beautiful lash line. And then I'm gonna go over with liner over the top too. But I'm just gonna use a black liner. This is a kohl liner from Jillian Dempsey. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. So I always like to kind of, well, rearrange and get closer to the mirror. Look a little more downward into the mirror, and I like to prop my finger against my eyelid to kind of prop that lid up a little bit. And then you can go in with your pencil. Ooh. Even that already makes such a huge impact and changes the whole look, so you could just add eyeliner and be done with it. I'm gonna do liner on the bottom too, because I'm gonna be extra saucy today. Okay. I always forget how much I like myself with eyeliner like this. I just never wear eyeliner, but I should. It's fun. I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, so now I'm actually just gonna go ahead and just extend out a little bit, kind of following that shadow. I don't want to pull too much because you see how it just kind of, everything falls back into place. So I just like to kind of see where you're going first and then pull and follow what you did. I'm also gonna bring this down, just like that. Now I'm gonna go back in with my palette and same, well, you know what, I'm gonna go in with this purple. This is more matte. This is actually this is almost like a brownish eggplant kind of tone that I used for the liner before. Now I'm gonna go in with this. It's a little bit more of a flat purple. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just did the first half of this, of the amped up eye, with the microphone down my shirt because I stopped to take a picture and I just put it down my shirt to save time. And then I forgot to put it back on. So I'm out of practice. Now I'm going in with my Vapor palette. And I'm just going to use this to kind of smudge out that black liner that I just applied using this angle hair brush. So I'm just kind of tapping over the top, just like that. Bring it underneath. And you can actually pull that liner out, right? So already that's a bit more dramatic than what we just had before. Just taking a smudger brush and just kind of softening. So now what I want to do is kind of bring this in a little bit more. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more of that same shadow color. And I'm just going to kind of create, I'm just going to draw a line from the top of that edge in. And then we're just going to kind of fill it in. I'm going to go back in with this little smudgy eye. I'm also dipping back into this one too. So I'm going to do a mixture of these two shades, mostly because I want to add some depth. And I just wasn't getting as much of a color payoff as I was hoping with just the one. So I'm adding a second one in. None of this is perfect, obviously, right? Makeup should not be like stressful. It should be like fun and playful. So now we're gonna go in with this like silvery, purpley shade. Again, I don't really know what it looks like because I haven't used it. And I'm just gonna kind of press this in the center here. Oh, I like that. Ooh, I like that. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of this and do a little underneath. Now I'm also gonna go in with that light pink tone again, bing bing, and just kind of hit right in here to keep this nice and bright. Okay, I like this. So where do we want to go from here? You know what I found is I actually have a brush from Vapor Beauty. Their brushes are really nice. And I'm just going to add a little bit more darkness here. I'm just really going for the drama, y'all. And you don't want any weird harsh edges, so blend it until there's no more of those. I'm just going to go with this guy that I used the pink to kind of soften And again, the lighting. Okay. So this is going to be my more dramatic Valentine's Day eye, which you can still wear a little bit more color on the lip, right? It's not too crazy. It's actually really pretty. I'm always like shocked when I see myself with eye makeup on. I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. Just put on makeup once in a while and you'll look like that. But I like it. It's still very fresh and light, and my eyes really pop, right? I could probably do another curling coat of mascara or pop on a couple little lashes if I wanted a little more of that drama going, but this is it. I think it's really pretty. It's really soft. It's a beautiful palette. Good colors, works for everybody. But anyways, that was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, subscribe down below, and please share with your family and friends. And hopefully I'll be making more soon. All right, have a great day.